some more video about the tensioner plate, chain tensioner plate. This is one that's already done. You can see it's a plate. It's got 4 holes, 1 in each corner, as we talked about in some other videos before this one, and you know, serves the purpose. I also talked about in a previous video or two before this that the fasteners were a little too close, and on the top holes or near the standoff posts, the fasteners from the holes near there were kind of banging into a little bit. So if I tried to put this threaded rod that comes through the other side there, if I try to put it right here, the fasteners here, the nut and the washer would bang into the nut and washer here. So a little miscalculation when I drew this up. I didn't take into account enough space between the fasteners. So anyway, eventually we're going to put an idler sprocket on there, and it'll sit sideways like that, on the plate over there. Okay, so anyway, we reviewed that in another video. So I just wanted to show you, what's some of the process. How do we get aluminum plate, to get to that finished product? Well, we take some aluminum plate like that one right there, okay, which is 3/8 of an inch thick. Okay, that's about a 2x2, I guess, somewhere around there. And I have a cutoff wheel. Yes, it's cheapy Chinese made, and I hate the fact that it's Chinese made, but there it is. Okay, and but it's only got so much room, right? I can't put more than about 8 or 10 inches between the two crappy clamps that are on this thing. So I had a piece that was too big to fit in there, so in comes the grinder. Okay, this is just a Makita grinder. Okay, and I have a DeWalt cutoff blade on there, and I like to use the extended XP extended because they last longer. They're an extra $1.50, but trust me, they're worth it, man. They last a lot longer. I just bought 3 of these over at the local Lowe's. If you go to Harbor Freight and buy their cutoff blades, you buy a 5 or 10 pack, those things are fried in like a few cuts. Don't waste your money. Okay, get the extended XP Performance for an extra $1.50. Trust me, that thing's gonna last a lot longer. Okay, and works great. So I basically just stick it between 2 pieces of wood, draw my line with a square. Okay, and and away we go. So now I can fit that into the cutoff wheel and hopefully get a really precise cut, because I got to get this. This is going to be the new square, which is 3 3/4 rather than 3 1/4 square. So hopefully just give me just a little more room between the fasteners, and so I just want to show you guys that. That's the deal. Okay, later.